Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find gallery on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. Unfortunately, there is no app that is actually called gallery. However, there are some alternatives. For instance, you can use two apps made by Google. The first one, let me actually open the Google folder. The first one is called Photos. It works pretty much the same way as the typical gallery app, and we cannot really skip this, so let's continue without the backup. Alright, so we can do pretty much everything that we need to do with photos and videos over here. We can see them over here, we can scroll, we have the timeline when the photos were taken. We can also switch to memories in order to create your own memories. Over here we can also switch to library in order to find some categories like folders, and we can also create your own album. Over here you can find trash, so if you have removed a photo, then you can go to trash in order to find them and then eventually restore them or remove them permanently. And the other app that you can use is the Files by Google. So let's go back to the Google folder, and over here we have Files. Now this one also contains videos and images, and we can find them all over here. We can watch them without any issues. And as you can see over here, we also have categories, so we have not only images and videos but also downloads, so everything that we download from the internet. We also have audio files, documents, and information about apps, I mean the installed apps, system apps, and APKs. And that's pretty much it. If you, for instance, go to images, then of course you'll find all images or photos that you have saved on your device. You can also switch to a different folder over here, so here at the top you'll find different folders, and you can manage them over here. You can change the view by pressing this icon over here, and keep in mind that most of the time you can also tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner in order to find more options, even if you open the photo or when you open the photo. So that's pretty much it. You can use one of these two apps as an alternative to the gallery app. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.